Excel says your file is invalid, but the file is actually fine. Here are 5 fixes that work instantly. Don't close this video. Fix number 3 recovers most corrupted files. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you step-by-step how to fix this error and recover your Excel file. Subscribe for quick tech fixes like this every day. Fix number 1. Check the file extension. Sometimes the file is saved incorrectly. Right-click the file, click Rename, and make sure it ends with .xlsx or .xls. If it's wrong, just correct it and try opening again. Fix number 2. Use Excel's built-in repair tool. Open Excel first, go to File, then Open. Select your file. Now click the arrow next to Open and select Open and Repair. This can fix minor corruption instantly. Fix number 3. Recover the file using a different format. Open a new Excel file, go to Data Arrow, get Data Arrow from File. Import your corrupted file this way. Excel often bypasses the error. This method works even when the file looks completely broken. Fix number 4. Check if the file is blocked. Right-click the file, go to Properties, and look for Unblock. If you see it, click Unblock and apply. Now try opening again. Fix number 5. Re-download or restore the file. If you downloaded it, the file may be incomplete. Download it again or restore a previous version. This solves most cases instantly. So here's the quick summary. Wrong extension, fix the name. Corrupted file, use Open and Repair. Still not working? Use the import trick. If this helped you, subscribe now. I post daily quick fixes that actually work. And check this video next to fix other Excel errors.